In today's video, I will explain to you a very precise scalping strategy that is suitable for 1 minute, 5 minute and 15-minute time frames. Currently, I have selected the 5-minute time frame and the chart you see is related to gold. As I mentioned, you can choose any other symbol you like, whether it be from crypto, forex or stock markets. The key point is to select a symbol with very high liquidity, because we don't want to face price gaps and have our trades close at a loss. In this trading strategy, we have two indicators that need to be added to the chart. So first, we add the first indicator to the chart. For this, go to the Indicator tab and search for L2 Perry Cuffman Adaptive MA. As you know, this indicator requires some adjustments, so we go into its settings. In the Input tab, change the fast period to 55 and the slow period to 134. Also, don't forget to check this box. As you can see, in some places, it generates signals for us. Whenever the fast Cuffman line crosses below the slow Cuffman line, you can see sell signals. And whenever the fast Cuffman line crosses above the slow Cuffman line, you can see buy signals. In some points, these signals are valid and we can enter our trades when we see these signals. In some places, these signals are incorrect. To identify these incorrect signals and avoid entering trades mistakenly, we need to add another indicator to our chart. For this, go to the Indicator tab and search for Coga histogram. When you find it, add it to the chart. I recommend using default settings. This indicator is very powerful and can help us greatly in identifying incorrect points and trends. It helps us differentiate between trending and sideways markets. Working with this indicator is very easy. When the histogram bars are all on one side, it indicates that the market has a trend, and we can rely on the signal generated. When the histogram bars are on both sides, indicating buyers and sellers present in the market, it shows a sideways market, and we should not enter trades at those points. At these points that we only see green histogram bars, we should look for buy positions. When we see red histogram bars in one direction, we can look for sell positions. Now let me tell you how to enter a trade. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ask your questions in the comments.
Buy setup.
First of all, make sure that all histogram bars inside the Coga indicator are on one side and green. Then look for buy signals from the Cuffman indicator at these points. Here we have found a suitable entry point. The next step is selecting a level for stop loss. For this, you can find the last swing low and place your stop loss slightly below it. For take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with profit.
Sell setup.
For sell orders, first look for sell signals on the chart. Then check the Coga indicator and ensure that the histogram bars are red and only on one side at that point. Now that we have found a suitable entry point, enter a sell order and place your stop loss slightly above the last swing high. Consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for take profit and wait for the trade to close with profit. As I mentioned, you should not enter trades at certain points like here where you see a buy signal, but notice on the Coga indicator that the histogram bars are on both sides and we realized that we should not place a buy order at this point. At this point, we also see a sell signal, but we notice that the histogram bars in the Coga indicator are on both sides. And we realize that this signal is actually incorrect, and we should not enter a trade with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care of yourself, and until the next video, goodbye.